Good morning, students. Let's start your new chapter, Reproduction in Animals. So, what do you mean by the reproduction? Reproduction is the ability of living organisms to produce young one of their own. It is one of the most important characteristics of life. All living things reproduce. All plants, animal and other living organisms exist because of reproduction. So we are having two types of reproduction. First, asexual reproduction, and second, sexual reproduction. First we talk about asexual reproduction. Yes, the production of young ones by the single parents without the formation and fusion of gametes is called asexual reproduction. Underline this. New individuals so formed are genetically identical to the parents. It is primitive method of reproduction that is simpler than sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction take place by the following process. First है आपका binary fusion. You can see it is usually observed in unicellular organisms like amoeba, you can see, and bacteria. It is the process a parent cell divided into two daughter, ये देखो nucleus divide हो रहा है, it is division of cytoplasm into two daughter cells, and each cell thus formed grow to form a new individual. ठीक है, तो generally it is seen in bacteria and amoeba. अगर इसको if nothing stop, do you know important fact? If nothing stop them, amoeba would multiply. इतनी fast multiply होगी that ये planet को बहुत जल्दी cover कर लेगी. But amoeba have predators. They are also competition for food and the space. Second है आपका multiple fusion. Yes, you can see in the picture multiple fusion in Plasmodium. It is repeated division of parent cell into a number of small individuals. For example, Plasmodium parent cell undergoes repeated division. You can see this is the parent cell and it is divided into daughter cells. Parthenogenesis is a form of asexual reproduction in which female produce eggs that develop without fertilization. It is occur in, underline, aphids, Daphnia, rotifers, some invertebrates, and in many plants. In many social insects such as honeybee and ant, unfertilized eggs give rise to a male drones and the fertilized eggs to the female worker and a queen. This had also been observed in some snake, fish and the monitor lizard. तो फर्स्ट हमने पढ़ा बाइनरी फ्यूजन, ठीक है, सेकेंड मल्टीपल, एंड थर्ड इज योर बडिंग. You can see here budding. The formation of new individual from this small protuberance called the bud arising on the parent's body is called budding. For example, budding takes place in organisms like hydra and yeast. The offspring remain attached to the parents during its growth. It separates at an appropriate time to leave the independent organ. You can see in the picture. This is the budding, और ये finally growing bud है, और finally ये कैसे detach हो जाती है and develops into two. Also in yeast में आप देखिए ये bud इसमें develop हो रहा है, ठीक है, mature stage पर है, bud formation finally separated out into two daughter cell. So chain of buds will be continuous as this. After that, sexual reproduction. Production of young ones by the formation and fusion of special cell contributed generally by the two parents, male and the female. It is termed as the sexual reproduction. ये definition आ जाएगी. Unlike sexual reproduction, the young ones are not genetically identical to their parents. In multicellular organisms, the needed special cell or gametes are produced by the reproductive organ. The male gametes are called sperm. Underline this. Are produced by the male reproductive part, and female gametes are said to be eggs or the ovum. Are also produced by the female reproductive part. In most cases, these two types of gametes are produced by two different individuals, mostly. However, in some cases like that of earthworm, special case है, the same individual produce both type of gametes. So, earthworm is called hermaphrodites animal. When the two types of gametes, sperm and ovum, unite, they form a single cell, and that is said to be fertilized or zygote. This process is said to be fertilization. The zygote then develop into offspring. ठीक है, तो मेल गैमेट्स आपके क्या बोलते हैं, स्पर्म्स बोल देंगे. दे प्रोड्यूस बाय द मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट, और फीमेल गैमेट्स को क्या बोलेंगे आप, एग्स और ओवा. ठीक है, व्हेन दे फ्यूज दे फॉर्म, ठीक है, फर्टिलाइजेशन स्टेज पर दे आर सेड टू बी जाइगोट, और दिस प्रोसेस इज सेड टू बी फर्टिलाइजेशन. हाँ, डू यू नो इसका देख लेना. अ रैबिट कैन प्रोड्यूस 10 to 30 offspring per year, and fruit fly, it is produce about 900 offspring per year. Animals with few offspring devote more resources to the nurturing and protection of each individual offspring. This reduces the need of many offspring for such animals. After that, reproductive pattern है हमारा. तो different animals, they are having the different reproductive patterns. तो first है, you can see, external fertilization and external development. तो पेरेंट्स यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, स्पर्म रिलीज करते हैं और एग्स रिलीज करते हैं सराउंडिंग वाटर वेयर फर्टिलाइजेशन अकर. बट याद रहे यहाँ पर दो, इस पैटर्न को प्रोसीड करने के लिए मेल एंड फीमेल मस्ट शेड देयर गैमेट्स इन अ लार्ज नंबर एट द सेम टाइम एंड सेम प्लेस. जो फ्रॉग है, दे बिलोंग्स टू this category, that is external fertilization and external development. fertilization भी बाहर हो रहा है, development भी बाहर. second है internal fertilization and external development. So here sperms are passed from the male body into a female. The fertilization take place within the female body. The zygote after its formation is surrounded by some secretion along with some reserve food and a cell. तो hen जो है, example, hen is the example of internal fertilization, internal है, and development क्या है उसकी, external है. After that, internal fertilization and internal development. Both fertilization and development take place internally. This means that the formation of zygote and development of young ones take place inside the body of female. So human being, elephant, cow, this belongs to this category. After that, reproductive system. Let us now study the reproductive system of the human being. First, we talk about male reproductive system. Male reproductive system. It includes a pair of testes, a scrotum, two sperm ducts, urethra, and penis. Testes are oval organ, that is 2 in number. Present in sac are called scrotum. The sperm develop in the testes. Sperm pass from the testes through the sperm duct or the urethra. You can see in the